Confused about where to dive into liquidity pools? Let's explore the crypto ocean's hottest spots. Welcome back! This is the fourth of 5 videos in our series. Eeva here for MemeFi, and today we're exploring some popular platforms where you can participate in liquidity pools. First up is Uniswap. This is one of the most famous decentralized exchanges, DEX, where you can stake pairs like ETH or USDT. Uniswap pioneered the concept of automated market makers, AMM, and its model has become a standard for many other platforms. Next, we have PancakeSwap. This exchange runs on the Binance Smart Chain and offers numerous farming and staking opportunities. You can stake LP tokens and earn rewards in cake tokens, as well as participate in lotteries and games. Then there's BSwap. What's unique about this platform is that it returns up to 90% of swap fees in BSW tokens. This makes it more profitable for those who frequently exchange assets. Plus, you can use NFTs for farming here. Another popular option is Curve Finance. This platform specializes in stablecoin trading and offers some of the lowest fees and slippage in the DeFi space. We also have Balancer. Here you can create or join pools with up to 8 different tokens, offering more flexibility than traditional dual token pools. Lastly, there's SushiSwap, another popular DEX that offers liquidity pools, yield farming, and even its own lending platform. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and potential rewards. For example, on PancakeSwap, you can stake your LP tokens to earn additional cake tokens. On BSwap, the high percentage of returned swap fees can significantly boost your earnings if you're an active trader. When choosing a platform, consider factors like the blockchain it operates on, as this affects transaction fees, the variety of pools available, additional earning opportunities like yield farming, and of course, the platform's security track record. In our final video, we'll walk through the process of creating your own liquidity pool. Don't miss it!